Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check whether the Samsung Galaxy A36 is original or fake. Now you have two methods to check if your Samsung Galaxy A36 is original or fake. For the first method, just open the Settings app, then go to About Phone. Now from here, you will find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now in this section, just enter your IMEI number. To do that, just go back to the Settings app and tap and hold on the IMEI number. Now once you copy the IMEI number, just go back to the website and paste it right here. Then tap on Check IMEI. Now once you do that, you will find the details of your smartphone. Now from here, just check if the details of your smartphone which is given on the screen are correct or not. And this is how you can check whether the Samsung Galaxy A36 is original or fake. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.